All right, here we go. What is up, KT Dynasty? Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the family. You guys, I am starving. I literally haven't eaten anything all day. My baby's been kind of fussy. He hasn't like pooped in like a few days, so he's like Mr. Growly Monster. But anyways, you guys, I'm back, better than ever. Good to see you guys again. I am doing a Chinese food mukbang today, you guys. I have my Vest soda. I don't really drink soda, but you know, at the Chinese place, this is like all they have. So, peach it is. And then we have General Tso's chicken. We have a shrimp egg roll. We've got some chicken wings. We got a crab rangoon. And we have some vegetable lo mein. Scrumdiddlyumptious. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and dive right in and try to think of a topic for today that we can talk about. Oh yeah, I got my chopsticks, you guys. I'm gonna be eating with chopsticks today. And also I saw somebody eat like their egg rolls and stuff with the red sweet and sour sauce, so I requested some of that. And then they put Tabasco sauce on it. B loves. That's who I saw do it. B loves. So Oh, good. Oh, that was good. I haven't had lo mein noodles in God knows how long. Oh yeah, you guys saw I have something very special coming in the mail. I cannot wait. And I cannot wait to hop on the video to show you guys what it is. Oh my goodness. You guys, I've been craving crab legs so bad. There were actually several people in my inbox that wanted me to do a seafood boil with like all these different sauces, and they're actually sauces that I've already done, so or maybe I'll have like all the sauces in one video. Haven't done that yet. Ooh. Okay, somebody just woke up. Somebody just woke up. Look how big he's getting, guys. Oh my god, he's huge. I know. What's wrong? What's wrong? You're getting hungry? What's wrong? Oh, my baby's been so fussy lately. You guys, comment down below if you can help me out. Is it common for breastfed babies to not poop that much? Okay, I'm back. We are good to go now. And then another thing I wanted to know, like, you know, because I'm new to the breastfeeding world, and I wanted to know, is it normal for a baby to like use the mommy as like a pacifier? Like sometimes he just like wants to suck on my nipple. He just wants to just suck my nipple off, and he doesn't even want to eat anything. He just uses me as a pacifier. I'd love to know. I should start praying before I eat. When I was younger, when we lived at home, everybody always sat at the table to eat. No phones, no electronics, no anything at the table, and we always said grace before our meals. That was back when life was so easy. Then it got real. I am back. Baby girl, I'm back like I never left. Pray for me, y'all. I'm not supposed to be drinking these at all, but I need a little break from drinking water. I always drink water, so hope I don't go in like a diabetic coma. Pray for me.
What is this song?
Excuse me. Oh, he just smiled at me. Bullying is not cool. And if you are a bully out there, I hope you stub your toe. You know how bad that sucks. When you're in school, especially like, I want to say when you get to high school, you have to find yourself. Like, don't ever try to like fit in, be somebody you're not, because that's exactly what I did in high school. And I didn't really find myself till me and my fiance got back together. Yep. That's when I really like wasn't ashamed of who I was, or like the way I talked or the way I dressed, because people used to like dog my ASS in high school. And it's just like, you know, people are hella mean, but you just can't let that get to you. And I know it's easier said than done, especially when you're going through it, but you just got to keep your head up, you know. There's better things once you graduate, because you better graduate. You need to graduate. You need your high school diploma. Or at least get your GED. I know everybody's always like, it's just a piece of paper. It doesn't mean anything. You might need it. You just got to be careful who you associate with. I'm not saying everybody's fake, but it's just like, you just got to be careful, you guys. If you're going through some things, talk to somebody. Don't keep it bottled up inside. You have to talk to somebody. You can message me. If you need somebody to talk to, you can message me. I am a great conversationalist. Is that a word? I'm a lot nicer than I look. Let's just put it like that. Holy shit. I just looked at how much sugar is in here, and there's 71 grams of sugar in here. I'm probably gonna die after drinking this. But it's not even that good. Honestly, I'd rather drink water. Cause that's trash. Okay. I'm big. I got both hands. I can eat. I'm about to eat it. Okay. Anyways, you guys. This is what you gotta do with your egg rolls, your chicken wings, all that good stuff. Dip it in the sweet and sour sauce. Put Tabasco sauce on that bitch. So good. That was delicious. Okay, I'm gonna try some of this chicken. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. There you go. Off of here, but if you enjoyed stopping by and watching my video, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you tap that subscribe. Take two. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the family for more. I love you.